with its lush forests, Appalachian Mountains, is surely one of the most beautiful states in the United States. But it is also home to well over 100 waterfalls, many of them over 100 feet tall. And White Waterfalls, as a matter of fact, with a height of over 400 feet, is the tallest waterfall east of the Rockies. Our mission on this trip was to visit 21 waterfalls in 6 days in western North Carolina. Our guide was the North Carolina Waterfalls, written by Kevin Adams. This is the Bible to waterfall exploration, not only in North Carolina, but also in West Virginia and Virginia. Kevin is a prolific writer and explorer, and has written these 3 books on waterfalls, as well as a book on hiking trails in North Carolina. It was no surprise that no matter where we were, remote trails, remote forest roads, or well-traveled state country roads, people carried Kevin's book. It was their guide to discovering these beautiful natural wonders of the state of North Carolina. And we met our mission in 6 days. We covered 21 waterfalls.
Transylvania County is home to some of the most beautiful waterfalls in North Carolina. So we made our home in the city of Brevard, a mountain tourist retreat, which is also home of the famous white squirrel. We made our home at Deerwood Lodge, where we rented a cabin in 160-acre property, and we were there all by ourselves.
waterfalls. Here's Courthouse Falls.
Everybody will circle.